Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Git in Windows 11 machine. So, all you need to do, you just to open your Chrome browser, type it git install for Windows 11. Once you opened, you scroll down and you can able to find out Git install for Windows. You just select that and you can able to find out Git official website. So based on our operating system, you need to select you need to download for the Git. So here it is 4 different OS available. One is for Windows, Mac and Linux, and based on your source code we can able to install our Git. Now we are going to install for Git Windows 11. So all you need to do, just click on download here. So it's get started now, downloaded. You can able to find out the status over here. Once you can able to downloaded, once it gets downloaded, you just to open the wherever you downloaded. I already downloaded, I just open that folder and you can able to find out our ex file and you need to install it. Just double click it and you need to select yes and next and next and select desktop, so it will be create a shortcut. Next, use Git Bash only, so you can select it whatever you require. And next, let's get started install. It may take some time. Okay, now it has been installed. So I'm selecting for launch pass. Just select for finish and you will get for console. You select it and you can find the shortcut over here, Git Bash. So we have successfully installed Git Bash on Windows 11 machine. And in order to check the latest version for Git version, you just type the command called